Hello viewers! As you saw in the title of this video, I'm doing a dashcam giveaway. I've partnered with the company BlackBoxMyCar to give away a Blackvue dashcam. It's a DR750-2CH LTE dashcam I recently reviewed. It has LTE connectivity, so you can do real-time live view with your phone over 4G. The dashcam comes in this box. This is a 2-channel dashcam, so it has front and rear camera. Now this giveaway is for one dashcam. To enter this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and also go and subscribe BlackBoxMyCar's channel. Then click on the link below. It'll take you to a site called KingSumo. There you enter your email address for a chance to win. This giveaway is open to residents of US and Canada. One winner will be chosen, and BlackBoxMyCar will ship the dashcam to the winner. Now this giveaway will be open starting today and ends December 7th, midnight. I also want to let you know BlackBoxMyCar is having their Black Friday sale right now. They have discounts on Blackvue, ThinkWear, Viofo dashcams, and also discounts on the new BlackBoxMyCar BI750 battery pack. So if you're thinking about getting a dashcam for your vehicle, this is a good time to go and check out their website. I'll include the link below. And for my US viewers, happy Thanksgiving, have a wonderful week, and for all the other viewers around the world, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.